Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, we will be presenting a list of 15 classic cars available for under $10,000, perfect for daily use or as an investment for collectors. Before we begin, thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I am very happy with all of you. I hope my videos bring you joy and help you find a classic car you love. So, let's jump right into the video. Number 1. The 1961 Meteor Rideau, priced at $6,900. This is a rare survivor. A two-door sedan with a 223 cu six-cylinder engine and 3-on-the-tree transmission, standard steering and brakes with 75,000 miles. This classic car runs and functions very well, having toured the country. In their 20 years of ownership, the parents only saw another one in the field. Over the years, interior parts like carpet, headliner, and seat covers have been replaced and updated, although it needs a few minor things to be perfect again. Always garage stored. Notably, the car's engine, known for its reliability and simplicity, reflects a time when vehicles were built to last and easy to maintain. Number 2. 1965 Mercury Montclair Marauder, priced at $4,300. Equipped with a 2-door hardtop 390 4V PS PB 3-speed automatic transmission, a survivor cruiser car. Used daily and driven regularly. The engine has been refreshed with a smooth cam and headers sounding good, custom front grille and LED phantom headlights, new front and rear disc brakes and suspension throughout. Body, interior, and underbody are in good condition. Has traveled 80,000 miles with records available, including extras and some original parts. Fixed price will be certified. Interestingly, front and rear disc brakes provide significant improvement, ensuring safety while driving. Number 3. 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, priced at $10,000. The car features a body style available only for 1 year and is very rare. The rebuilt 289 engine has been bored 30 over, with new pistons, camshaft, valves, a new 650 Edelbrock carburetor, and Torker intake. New aluminum radiator installed with only 5,000 kilometers since built. New C4 transmission with shift kit, heavy-duty clutch, and new torque converter, with only 800 kilometer on this new C4. New dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers provides an impressive sound. Also equipped with Boyd Coddington wheels and new BFG tires, as well as new front wheel bearings. All new drum brake system with 4 new shocks and sway bars and end links. Differential gear oil changed and new wheel seals installed. This car drives very well, though the paint is not perfect and may need body work but is still drivable. The floor and trunk floor have been replaced. The interior is complete with new carpet and an uninstalled headliner. Equipped with many spare parts, including the original engine block and a full set of same-year car parts, the car presents an invaluable automotive style and history. Number 4. 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $8,000. Difficult to find this car model with AC option. The paint has oxidation and many scratches. Rust like old cars in general. The worst is on the driver's side floor. The car can be started but cannot run perfectly yet. Still a project to be completed. Equipped with long tube headers, 3-inch pipes with X-pipe and Flowmaster Series 40 mufflers, Willwood 6-piston front disc brake conversion, and rebuilt rear brakes with no mileage. The engine is an old 360 engine, not original. Tires need to be replaced. If you're a Mopar fan who must have this car, consider trading it for a Ford 150 or Tundra with additional money from the owner. Driving this classic car can be a unique experience for car enthusiasts. Number 5. 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $4,700, with a 350 4.9L engine and 4-barrel carburetor. New items include brake booster, master cylinder, 2 calipers, brake lines, fuel lines, electric fuel pump, alternator, carburetor, starter, new spark plugs, fresh oil, transmission service with new filter, lights, new battery, and good inner tubes. Registered and active. The car has been tested by a mechanic and is almost 90% complete, only needing refinements to the dashboard, reupholstering, and wiring. The car is nearly completed and in good condition for testing. Number 6. 1963 Mercury Monteray, priced at $6,200. One-owner car with 46,000 original miles. Mechanically in very good condition. Unfortunately, the car suffered a side collision damaging the right rear section, front fender, and right bumper. The car has been declared salvage by the insurance company, but can regain a license after pre- and post-repair salvage inspections. Comes with a service manual to determine all necessary specifications to complete the salvage inspection. Always garage stored throughout its life. Number 7. 1960 Pontiac Stratochief, priced at $5,100. The car is in good condition, currently used on the road. A 4-door sedan with a 6-cylinder engine, only driven in the summer months. Some things to note. Needs a gas pedal hinge and driver's side floor reinforcement. Sold as is with 37,000 kilometers, it's ready-to-use vehicle package. Number 8. 1959 Pontiac Parisian, priced at $5,800. It has a clean BC registration with a 350i TH350 combination. This is a very cool project car that requires a full restoration. Includes a new airbag system in the box and slightly used tubular front control arms. Open to exchange with GM cars before 1974. Additional airbag system and tubular front control arms included will provide a significant upgrade in suspension performance and driving comfort after restoration is complete. Number 9. 1968 Ford Galaxy, priced at $9,000. Straight pipe and headers, purple glitter blue paint. Equipped with two 15-inch subwoofers in the back with good amplifier wiring. Attracts more attention than can be counted. The significant combination of striking paint and powerful audio system makes this car a center of attention wherever it goes. Number 10. 1967 Buick Special Wagon, priced at $8,800. In good mechanical condition, rust-free. Has traveled 90,000 original miles. Automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. Though rust-free, the paint is starting to peel due to repaint over original lacquer. Advertised for his uncle. The significant rust-free condition of this car indicates that its structure is still very strong and worth cosmetic repair, making it a promising restoration project. Number 11. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, priced at $6,600. This sedan has been in the family since 1962, stored for over 30 years and only taken out a few years ago. Only 22,000 original miles. Brakes have been repaired and carburetor kit replaced. Equipped with power windows, power antenna, Wonderbar radio, RPM gauge, and power steering. Wiper motor has issues. Some surface rust spots the size of a credit card. Frame in very good condition. 394 big block engine, slightly oil leaking, runs well. Last summer, some chrome and aluminum pieces on the front fender were lost. Dry and peeling headliner, suitable for daily use or as a great restoration project. An attractive choice as a daily driver or restoration project. Number 12. 1972 Catalina Convertible, priced at $7,200, in very good condition. This two-door car has been restored by previous owners, but still needs some touches here and there. Runs and drives very well, red and white interior in good condition. The driver's side rear frame has some rust that needs attention. Certainly, the well-maintained interior and good driving performance make this car a worthwhile investment, despite needing some further attention. Number 13, 1979, Ford Thunderbird, priced at $7,900. In stunning condition with original paint and vinyl and original drivetrain, 5.00L 3-speed. This car has only traveled 13,000 very low kilometers and was driven only once in winter in 1980. Always cared for and stored under a cover. Runs very smoothly and quietly and drives like new without any grinding or rattling noises. Everything functions as it should except the analog clock. Still has a new car smell with perfect carpet and interior. Shows no signs of wear or fading. There are 3 spots on the door and the paint and chrome are in beautiful condition. Equipped with a new carburetor, gas tank, heater core, radiator, and exhaust. The low mileage and meticulous care make this car a rare and highly valuable choice for you. Number 14, 1965 Oldsmobile Delta 88, priced at $5,800. Two-door hardtop, equipped with a 425 Super Rocket 2 BBL engine and automatic transmission. Runs very well. New drum brakes and new exhaust manifold. There are some scratches, but still looks respectable and drives well. Comes with almost new BFG tires on rally wheels, as well as original wheels and wheel covers. Also includes factory-style steel wheels. No trades accepted. The combination of new drum brakes and exhaust manifold ensures reliable performance, making it a very good value for the asking price. Number 15, 1970 Plymouth Duster Coupe, priced at $5,800. Traveled 84,000 kilometers. A very solid car, perfect and complete interior, equipped with 834 rear end with new shafts and 391 gears, new springs and shocks, needs engine and transmission. Also has a 340 block, crank, and X heads to be rebuilt at additional cost. Can transport the car to Prince George. The cool thing is, perfect interior condition and new drivetrain components provide a strong foundation for restoration, making it an attractive car for classic daily drivers.